Been a long time. I shouldn't have left you. Let you. Hey y'all, I'm back. I know it's been a minute. This is the Red One TV. I'm back with another wig tutorial / review. Today's wig comes from Shein. That's right, Shein, and it is a braided wig. Braided, but really faux loc, okay? Butterfly faux loc at that. Look at this. Look at it, y'all. Look at it. Look at the scalp. It's full lace. You hear me? And look, it's big head friendly. Big head friendly. Like it fits, y'all. It fits. Look at that. Just look at it. And then it comes with the adjustable elastic band in the back. Y'all know how these wigs come with the extra unwanted lace. I cut that out completely. Cut it out. Just cut it out. Probably spent like 30 minutes, probably even 45, but I cut it out. I got tired of looking at it. That's not how I want my scalp to look. I cut it out. All right, but I'm gonna jump into an install. Like I'm gonna use the Ebin Wonder Lace, the Extreme Fern Hold, the Active, and then this time I'm gonna come behind it probably with like some lace melt spray by Ebin New York. This time I'm not using the liquid kind. I want to use the spray because I feel like it might be less messier. So yeah, they got 3 kinds of these. This one is the Silk Protein. There was another one that's like keratin, and then it's like one more other. I forgot what that one is. So yeah, I'm gonna jump into this install and be right with you.
Crown, that's a jam.
That's you. Crown, that's a jam.
jam.
That's you.
Crown, that's a jam.
Finished look. Actually, I have to redo it. But, yep. Like it might be a little bit close to my head. I don't know. But this wig is semi big head friendly, I would say. Like it was able to like really stretch for me, so I really like that about this wig. It was nice to like, you know, stretch for me. Anyway, that's really it for my review, you guys. Like, subscribe, and share. I will be putting the link to this wig in the description from Shein. Also, stop by my Amazon affiliate store. You can check out all the products that I use for my lace front installs, and also check out the Thematic app, which is like a music app where you can use for your YouTube videos, even for your Instagram and TikTok. You can avoid copyright infringement, so definitely check that out. It will be free for you for 1 month for the premium music once you sign up. Other than that, you guys, like, subscribe, and share. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.